Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, I'm going to do kind of a scientific test. I'm going to see how the old and new cabin filters affect the flow of air into the vehicle. I have no tools whatsoever to test how clean the air coming into the vehicle is, but I can kind of crudely test the flow of air. So here I am holding the old dirty filter from the vehicle, and now here I am holding the new filter. So in the next couple clips we'll be first doing the flow. You'll be seeing the flow from the air ducts in the car with the old filter in place, and then with the new filter in place. Okay, so here's what I have. Not incredibly scientific, but it should do the trick. I've got a weather station which shows me wind speed right here. Okay, here's my outdoor part of that weather station with the wind meter on top. And I'm going to start the vehicle up. Okay, and I've got I'm going to put my climate control on with the fan speed on high. And I've got this shut and that one shut over there. Let's see. I've got all my wind in the face. Okay, so this is with the old cabin filter in. I'm just going to hold this right here against the steering wheel. Oh, it's blowing the wrong way. Okay, I'm going to hold this just above the shifter here. Okay. Wind speed of 11 miles an hour. Okay, now same test with the new cabin filter in. See my fans on high, and it's pointing right there. Holding my weather station right above the shifter again. Okay, so need to kind of do a freeze frame here. I didn't realize how much the wind buffeting against the microphone and the camera was affecting what I was saying. But as you can see, with the new cabin air filter, the blower is able to move the air at 15 miles an hour rather than 11 miles per hour. That's a 40% increase in speed, or roughly between a 33 and 40% increase. I'm not sure how that translates into how much volume, but obviously it's going to be more volume of air coming in. The other important thing to think about is the fact that you're not working your blower as hard. You can move as much air probably on setting 3 or 4 as setting 3 or 4 with the new filter as if you had it on setting 5 with the old filter. So obviously changing your filter will help improve the quality of air and also the quantity of air into your vehicle. At 1AAuto, we carry a complete line of these cabin air filters. Chances are, if you haven't thought about it before, then it probably needs to be replaced. Go online, order yours today from 1AAuto.com, and get a little bit of fresh air. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.